What's up, y'all? This your girl Goldmouth, and I'm coming to y'all today. I'm like, okay, since I'm gonna attempt to do this project by myself, y'all, pray for me. I'm gonna show you guys how I've seen this on YouTube of a guy fixing his washer. So my washing machine won't spin as well as it should. It'll spin if I got like a small load. But if I got a larger load, it won't spin. So I don't know what's going on with it. But I was trying to look at videos on how to do it yourself. And you know, cause when you're broke, you just got to learn how to do some things, okay? So this is a GE washer. See, right there? GE. This is an old washing machine. But I'm going to try to fix it. The first thing he said was to snap this off. And it has two little clamps right here. Like there's a clamp that go in there, it's up there, and there's a clamp that go on this side, it's up there, y'all. I see it's dirty. This is an old washing machine, like I said. So I clicked those with the flathead screwdriver. I had a flathead screwdriver, and I just went under the in between here, and I popped that, and then I went on that side and I snapped that. I mean, it was a little struggle, but I got it, and pulled it off. And look what's inside, y'all. Oh, hair balls and dust mites and whatever that is down there. Yeah, child. So I'm gonna try to hold this camera steady, but put this over there, y'all. So set that over there. We got this big old thing here called a tub. I think you call it a tub. Yeah, with the washing machine in it. So put that out the way. And he said to go down there. And the other one video said to go over here. Y'all excuse my ashy hand, but I've been down there already playing in the dirt. It's a tube over here that you're supposed to catch some air. Let me put this phone down so I can show y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm down here on this floor. Y'all pray for me. I got these tools right here. What you call these, y'all? I don't know. Y'all men folk, what this called? A wrench? Wrench? No, this is something else. But anyway, I don't know what it's called, but I know what it do. And you put the little socket, this was a socket wrench, I think. And then all this dust, y'all, this came from, I guess, years of it never being open before. And my husband don't know how to fix stuff, so all the fix-it things in the house, I tackle that job, and I haven't been able to do a lot. Y'all know, been through a lot, but hey, I'm trying to get back in business, okay? So I'm down here on the floor, y'all, so pray my strength in the Lord. It's 2 screws down here. Okay, y'all, so I got my new part, which came from Walmart, and I'm gonna hide my address, but you can see right there it says genuine replacement part for a GE. So let's see. I just opened the top, so let's see what we got in here. Oh, they packed it with a bunch of other paper, so it wouldn't get damaged. So that's a good thing. Hopefully, this looks like the one that's on my washer. I don't know. Oh God, I mean on my dryer. Well, it look a little different. Well, I guess it do look the same. Except it just got this silver top right here. This one ain't got nothing silver on the top. If I put them next to each other, they look like... Oh man, I gotta do some stuff. I don't know what to do with these two right here. Maybe I could just take these out and put the old ones in here. Hopefully. Oh my God. Hopefully I can put them old ones in there. I don't know. Hopefully I can, because I don't know how to do no wiring up here, child. Okay, we not finna go there. We not finna go there, okay? I'm gonna just take these out. And we just gonna hope for the best, praise God, okay? And I'm gonna take this right here off. The only thing that requires to take this off, okay, y'all can't even see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna take this off right here. The only thing that it requires for this to be taken off is those 2 screws, like I showed you before. So all I'm gonna do with those 2 screws is use this right here. What this tool called, y'all? I don't know. Men folk, y'all hit me out. Some kind of wrench, I guess. And just go back and forth with this until they out. And even though it's kind of jammed up in there, because this thing kind of long, but that's what I got. I'm going to take it off and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I got the part up. I got the 2 screws out. And set them aside over there and put them on a piece of paper so they won't roll around. So this is what it looks like when it's up. And it don't, you can't just pull it out. Now it's 2 clips right here. It's a clip on this one and it's a clip on that one. I'm gonna shine the light back in there so you can see that clip. A clamp. It's called a clamp, I think, child. And there's another clamp on this black one back here. You can't see that one, but it's on there. It's like right there where my thumb at. It's a clamp on that one. Now all I do with the clamp is I get the clamp, and I don't even have to take it all the way off. But when that hole slide off, it's gonna be some water come out, y'all. And that's the reason why I got the mop sitting right here. And I just set the mop right here so when the water do come out, it can just fall out, but the mop gonna catch it, you know, before it get all over the place, hopefully. But it's gonna be some water in here too, but I'm gonna dry that up at the end. It ain't gonna be too much. Hopefully it won't, I don't know, but I do got clothes in the washing machine that didn't spin this time, so hopefully it won't be too much waterfall. Let's see. Turn the light off. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the light back on. Okay. See if I can set this up. Y'all can still see in there. See in there? Okay. That's the clamp right there. So I just pinch this clamp with these pliers. Y'all look how good God is. I am back to fixing stuff like I ain't never left, y'all. And I feel good. I love doing stuff like this. Now all I had to do was slide that up. Now, once I get it off the hard part of this piece of pipe sticking out, which is this right here, that's what this is, that's under here. Got to slide this up to a certain distance, see where it gets soft. It gets soft right here. You can actually push it. Y'all can't see that because there ain't enough light in here, girl. Okay, so pinch it up again. Okay, see, slid up. Now, as you can see, it's water leaking out right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's water leaking out. See that little drop of water right there? When I lift this pipe up, it's going to be a lot of water. Just pour out. So I'm going to see if I can put the mop in there a little bit more. I know I should have got like a towel or something, but I'm going to just use the mop and pull the pipe off. All you gotta do is, it's soft, so, well, I don't know what yours feels like, but mine feels soft, so it's easy to just keep inching up a little bit until I get it all the way off. And there's the water. There's a whole lot of doggone water. Did y'all see that water? Oh my God. So I got the mop down here. Don't know how well that mop held that up, and it's still, I think it's allowed because I got some clothes in the dryer, in the washing machine, that still got a lot of water in it, and it's coming all over the floor. So the other guy on the other YouTube video said get that air vac and vacuum it up, but I ain't got now one of them, child. I think I do, but I don't know where it's at. But I can just mop it up. It ain't gonna kill me. Okay, just mop it up, and then once I take that pipe off, I should be good to take the other pipe off. Okay, I can pull it out a little bit more. I can pull it out a little bit more and then take the other one off that's in there. There's another one right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me bring it around where y'all can see. And slide that one up too. Ooh, ain't God good. Okay. Whoa. Oh man, that one came off. Okay, so I got this whole piece off, y'all. Whoo-hoo. Got the whole piece off. And I'm gonna take these 2 pieces out right here. Okay, oh, it's white then black, white then black. So So that's the electrical components. We're gonna take that out. Now I'm gonna compare the two and see if it does indeed look like the same piece. Yes, they are identical twins. Well, kind of fraternal twins, but they look like they're the same piece. They got the same pipes on it and everything. Except this one a whole lot more wore out than that one. See that? Same thing. So, okay. Got that off, y'all. So, now I'm going to dry this up. See how that water floating in there, y'all? Y'all can't even see that. But y'all see that shadow. But I'm going to dry that water up that's in there. And I will be back. Okay, y'all. So I got the new piece right here. Got these wires out the way. Gotta remember, always remember where these two wires was at. Gotta remember, because I said white then black. So just put them up there for right now. And it didn't come with 2 screws. I don't think it did. Gotta make sure this pipe matches up with that piece of the thing right there. Then that black one matches up with this piece, and the white one goes here. So before I put that in, I need to put this ring back on the black one. So it kind of came off. I'll make sure these clamp parts is facing up to the top, so that way I can grip it easy when I get the pliers. Boy, ain't God good, y'all. Do y'all hear me? I wasn't able to do this. Well, it still hurt, but I'm doing it. Okay. Push that piece over that pipe all the way back as far as I can get it, I think. Yeah. So I got that on there. So I'm just gonna push this piece onto the top of this right here. And then the other one go to the other side. So that's on there. Push this into the washer. And then all I got to do is screw it back down, y'all. Put this pipe on top of this. And screw it back down. And hopefully, I'm going to come back to y'all when I get done. And hopefully, these clothes going to spin this time. If not, then it's going to be to be continued, y'all. Okay? Alright, y'all. I'll be back to see if it spins. Okay, y'all. Here go the clothes in there that did not spin. As you can see, they're just sitting on top of each other. You can tell when clothes spin when they kind of swirled around a little bit. But these just sitting here on top of each other and they did not spin. So I'm going to turn the dryer on and I'm not going to move the clothes around. Now sometimes when I go in and I pick the clothes up and put them back down and move them around and shift them around, then they'll spin. But that's very rare. Most of the time I have to take out half of the clothes that's in there, then it'll spin. But let's see what it's gonna do. And we got a winner. At first I didn't think it was gonna work, but y'all can see it's spinning and everything is working right. Let's see. See that? Whoa. Everything is working. Yay! Go me, go me, go goldmouth, go goldmouth. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Yay, I did it, I did it, I did it, yay, I did it, hey, hey, hey. Okay, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching, and that's all I got to say in this video, and I will holler at y'all later.